Hey everyone, and welcome back to Developing Tank. Today we're going to take a look at our sequences. You can filter by episode or you can filter by sequence. And so if you have five sequences per episode and 10 episodes, that's 50 sequences. That's a lot to scroll through right here. So it's an easy way to navigate that down a little bit. So here you can see we have two sequences. Let me select this one. Now, right here, you notice there we have nothing. We have no scenes detected. We have nothing confirmed. We have our name. We have the edit rate, the length, and the start time code. Right here, you can click and you can input your the link to the video or the sequence that you sent out, so you can have a record of all those links in one nice place. I'm used to doing tons of spreadsheets just to track every link that is sent, and this is one place you can see it all. Now, up here, you'll see you can review scene assignments, compare sequences, detect scenes, add scene range, make a continuity report, your cue sheets, and show markers and notes. Before we can compare review scene assignments, we need to detect scenes. Now, 50% confidence rate is a really great rate. And you can have it look at all tracks, all video tracks. It should be a little more precise. Or you can specify track one, track two, track three. Um, in my experience, 50% is 100, almost always very, very accurate. Um, you can go a little bit higher, you can go a little bit lower. If you want, but my experience, this is the golden. Now I'm going to hit run. Already done. Now you can see the sequence in time and sequence out time. It says it's scene three, scene one, F13. We have scene four. It broke up F13. You can review. You can say that's correct, that's incorrect, or I'm unsure. I'll tell you now it's correct, but we'll go up to review scene assignments. And this one that we said was incorrect. You can say incorrect. It's actually scene one. Like we said, you can modify the start time or the end time. You can split the scene. And now, whenever you do this, um, how this works is it takes all of the scenes, all of the clips in these scenes that you told is correct, and it says, okay, all of these are now, let's say, all of the clips between between start and 8:49 are scene three. We know that. So it adds a weight of um, being correct. So the confidence weight goes a little bit higher if you if there's clips that are scene three, but they're also scene six. It also knows the frame range, but within those clips that are scene three. So then the frame range within each clip is 100%. We know that's scene three. It's not in that frame range, but it's the same clip. It's probably scene three. And then the metadata says it's scene three. We're assuming it's scene three. So that's how this works. And then there's a certain amount of repetition and pattern within the thing within the sequence that it looks at. So if you have just one or two clips that are frames or a second, so 2 seconds long, mixed into scene three, it'll say this is scene three. And so we'll still assume know that scene three, even though it's like an interstitial frame, single cut or so. So that's how this works. It's pretty neat, and that should get changed right there. Oh, maybe it's because I didn't hit confirm. Now you can also click the show markers and notes. Populates right at the bottom. So you get your sequence time code of the clip. This is all based on the clip. So you're not getting actually the frame of the marker, you're getting the clip in and out of the marker, the clip name, the marker color, and the marker note. So you have username, comments, created date. You can compare two sequences. So I'm going to compare these two. Oh, this one you need to we need to detect scenes on this first. Now let's compare our sequences. So here you can see there's a whole lot changed because it's two wildly different sequences. But it should be it does look at the scene range and then gives you the longer or shorter amount so you can see what scenes got chopped. Now you can see you'll see sometimes that scenes are completely gone, and then it'll just be the length of the scene is shorter. You can also do a continuity report or a cue sheet and rundowns, and we'll do videos on those.